so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make egg fried rice. This is a very unique style of preparation. The egg will be evenly spread in your rice. Very easy and delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, I've taken 1.5 cups of boiled rice. To this add 2 eggs. Give it a nice mix and make sure the eggs are well spread. Now we are ready, so let's get started. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 onion very finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, few capsicum chopped. Give it a nice mix. Fry the onion until they turn transparent. Now the onions are nicely done, so go ahead and add the egg rice. Mix it well. Keep the flame in medium. Mix for at least 5 minutes until the eggs are completely done and no more sticking to one another. Now the eggs are nicely done and dried up. So go ahead and add half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of crushed pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Give it a nice mix. Now your delicious egg fried rice is ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy. Very unique, easy and delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.